in the middle of Piazza Venezia. The view from here is fantastic, but we have a better view from top of the Aventino hill. For those who are joining now, we are in Roma. It's 3:30 in the afternoon, and we are at the foot of the Palatine Hill on this side, on the Circus Maximus underneath us, and we are going up the Aventine Hill. You see, the one of the characteristic of this part of Rome is the green spaces. You know, a lot of trees, mainly pine trees and cypress trees. You know, but pine trees are the majority. As you can see there in the distance over there, you see a lot of pine trees that are also since ages trimmed in the shape of an umbrella. So we nickname them umbrella trees. You know, you are cordially invited to pick up all the postcards you like, because the combination of this crystal clear blue sky and the greenery and the brown of the Roman ruins is a combination that it's quite good, quite good. Well, who follow me, they know they have a point in like little strange things in Rome, like these little fountains, like this one, who are everywhere in Rome. These fountains are everywhere in Rome. This is purely drinking water. You can refill your bottle, as this lady is doing, or you can drink directly from the fountain. But if you want to know more about the drinking fountains of Rome, follow my channel, and there's a tour that's dedicated to them. Okay, so the city of Rome was having these 7 hills, more or less shaping the landscape of the city itself. The monument on the right hand is dedicated to Giuseppe Mazzini, who is one of our national heroes, one of the men responsible for the unification of Italy. Italy as a country, as one country, is existing only 1861. Beforehand, Italy was a mosaic of different countries, kept together not even by the language, because there wasn't a proper Italian language. So only from 1861 there was a proper Italy as we have it now. Once again, for the new. Okay, the area of the Circus Maximus that you just saw, it is still today the area for big events and concerts. Uh, 2 days ago, there was a huge concert by an Italian singer called Renato Zero. But March next year, May next year, we'll have Brooks Springsteen here. Oh, you wanna hear the song? So Gini i ragazzini e poi facevano l'amore, and so on and so on and so on. You really can see that there are still some roses there, but really you need to put in your agenda to come here in April or May, and you will see this like blooming with 50 different colors. And imagine here there are more than 500 different species of crossbreed roses, because this is an experimental garden. So you have blue roses, black roses, and open only from 22nd of May to the 12th of June. Instead, the opposite side is not the competition area, is open from April, let's say Easter, to again June. It's been beautiful from sort of a high-end area, because in this area you have a lot of, let's say, high-end family mansions, villas. They are choosing to live here away from the crazy crowd. You see, I have the sun right in front of me, but now I can show you. You see all the signs there of this area. The one we are pointing our attention immediately is the one on the right, which is Santa Sabina, and again, part of the description of this instance, the orange garden of Rome. And we are going to enter the orange garden too. Please have a look at the end of this. Can you see something? I'm zooming as much as possible. Can you see this? What is that? Orange trees. You have orange trees and the back of the church of Santa Sabina. So this garden was more or less connected with the church and the convent, and it okay. You know, there's a tradition here in Rome that is connected with this garden. That it's this is a very romantic place because traditionally you go like proposing to your loved one here in the garden, and then getting married there in that church. And it happens, you know, frequently, and I would say there's something like really connected to the fact of being Roman. Of course, this is not the only panoramic terrace of Rome, but it's the only one from south of the city, let's say southeast of the city, very close to the center. On the opposite side, there's another one called Gianicolo, which is actually the eighth hill of Rome. And you see, this is enclosed inside walls because it was belonging like the orchard of the monks living in the Santa Sabina monastery. There's always some street musician, I could say, park musician here is changing. Often they are shifting. They have sort of a schedule. So someday you have this guy playing electric guitar. Sometimes you have a classical guitar, bossa nova player. Sometimes you have a violin player. Sometimes you have a flute player. This guy is, as far as I know him, is English. You know, in his 70s, still. Hey, can you play sax? Yeah, that could be an idea. Read everything from here. So behind us, that's the river, and the whole city behind us. The Vittoriano over there, the Colosseum, you can't see it, but it's there where the tower is. This is the Synagogue Room, right there. Then on the opposite side, you see now how small seems the dome of St. Peter's from here, as it was looking big. So there's also this optical illusion that you have. Underneath us, we have the river, Fiume Tevere. On the opposite side, there's a neighborhood called Trastevere. And up the hill, up there, they have the Gianicolo Hill and the Monte Mario Hill, which is that one, on the left bank of the river. So go for postcard, people, because this is a unique view.